Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Brainnest is hiring for intern, junior front-end developer, remote front-end developer internship. Internship location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. So position is front-end development intern, location is remote. It's a part-time 10 to 20 hour per week internship. Now let's get to know about the company first. About Brainnest, the business management and training company headquartered in Bremen, Germany. We are a success-driven firm that provides management advisory and contracting services customized to help companies from different industries with business management problems. Brainnest runs, leads and manages complex projects and initiatives. We have begun from scratch when a network of professionals, PhD holders and highly skilled personnel bring to the business table their practical and academic years of experience to form up a concrete blueprint on which the company has been designed. Since 2020, we offer a combination of expertise, proficiency, and commitment, leveraging our deep industry experience and applying analytical rigor to develop exceptional results for companies. We proudly provide top-class consulting and training services for a wide range of industries around the world. A well-equipped team, advanced tools, and modern methodologies are some of what we correctly utilize to offer our clients what makes them the best in their fields. Our team is looking for a front-end development intern to join them in the upcoming weeks. This position is great for as an aspiring front-end development professional looking to work on business-critical projects and gain relevant work experience. Here is the eligibility criteria. Strong communication skills with the ability to discuss any issues with a wide variety of individuals and groups. Capability to produce content on time with attention to detail and an emphasis on identifying and pitching to a target audience. A well-organized team player with the ability to perform various tasks, act individually and think creatively. Willingness to learn and develop front-end development skills. Competitive and proactive attitude. Capacity to stay professional in stressful dispute situations. Fluency in English. You will learn how to help create landing pages for our new services, features, webinars and marketing campaigns. Maintain, evolve and improve our website experience for thousands of users. Work closely with our friendly, creative and helpful marketing team, sales team and project managers. Design, build, test, deploy and maintain mission-critical customer-facing web applications. Use different technologies and tools to support the delivery of high-quality software. Adjust different approaches dependent on project requirements. Write clear and consistent code and assure its quality. Analyze project requirements, design documents, and maintain software specifications as a member of the project development team. Accomplish complex business projects and cooperate with an international client. At Brainnest, we are committed to equal employment opportunity, regardless of race, color, ancestry, religion, sex, national origin, sexual orientation, age, citizenship, marital status, disability, gender identity or expression, or veteran status. We strive to be more equal opportunity workplace. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. Then this page will open. Here is the application form. Upload your CV here. Then fill your basic details, full name, email, phone. As it is an internship role, so you need not to put any current company profile. If you are already working and you are seeking for an internship, then you can add that here. Your LinkedIn profile URL and then any additional achievement or any additional information you want to share, you can add it here. Then click on this submit application button and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट with your friends and for more latest job updates, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.